Hi everyone and welcome to my haul video. My name is Sandra. This is the Funky Pickle channel. I got a lot of really cool stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm a part-time eBay reseller since 1998. Check it out. I have a bunch of stuff that I just bought today and yesterday at some thrift stores. So first up we have this awesome Gene Simmons Kiss plush. He's a teddy bear and he's pretty crazy. So sometimes with this sort of cheap plastic stuff, it gets sticky over time. I guess the plastic breaks down chemically. I'm not really sure exactly why, but he is a little bit sticky in spots, so I'll just disclose all that, and you can see right there, 1998. And really a nice shape other than that sticky stuff. So I got this great bag. I don't usually sell purses that much, but this purse has a secret. It is a drink purse. And so you put all of your booze in this bag that's in here, and there's a little spigot right there, and then you put your glass under here and you drink. And I thought that was great. So I don't know what this is going to sell for. I'm not sure, but I might keep it because I kind of love it. So, and it's new with tags, which is always a great thing, but that's really an interesting item. You've probably seen this before. This is a pretty cool item. You can put Halloween or Christmas movies right in your window. You can see it's a projector. I guess it projects from the inside. Anyhow, this is a pretty cool item, and it was half price day today. This was $2.50. So I don't know a thing about Sears Craftsman industrial buffers, but I know that that's a good name brand, and it looks like it might be unused. So it was $30. It was half price day. I fussed a little bit. You know, I said, I don't know if it's $15 and it doesn't work. And she goes, just take it for $10. So I took this for $10, and this looks like I'm going to be able to maybe sell this for $30 or $40. That was a pretty good buy. So I'll probably just sell this one on Facebook Marketplace. I don't think I want to deal with shipping this. It's too heavy. So I love selling craft stuff, and this was $1.50, as you can see. And I almost didn't get it, but what was interesting is when I looked at the other side and I saw that it was 80 bucks at one point. I think that I'm probably going to be able to get 70 or maybe $60 for this on eBay. So that was pretty exciting. Nice and easy to ship, easy to photograph. No muss, no fuss. This wonderful Christmas shirt, it's not a sweater. It's supposed to look like a sweater, but it's a little naughty, and it's just like this really thin material, so it would be really comfortable to wear. I thought this was so crazy that somebody might like to buy this. I could be wrong. I don't know. I didn't even look it up. Maybe it's just a complete loser, but if people have a sense of humor, somebody might enter their, Christmas ugly sweater contest with this. It was $1. I have no idea what I'm going to get. It's anybody's guess, but I couldn't leave it behind because it's so funny. Mid-century modern alert. Look at this fantastic ashtray. These are the comedy tragedy masks, and it's so great that it's the 1950s pink color. I'm not sure what that is, 6672G. I did a little bit of research on the internet. I couldn't find anything quite like it, so I'm probably going to put that up. I don't know, I might be able to get $40 for that. I'm going to check that out and see what happens. This is a really great item though. Here's some fun old Christmas stuff I got. Here's some great old invitations. You can see these are 25 cents. This is a great kind of fake stained glass thing. That's just from the 70s. That's plastic. This is not plastic, and maybe, I don't know, I might be able to get $10 for this or something. That's a schmid. And I got these two awesome mice on their unicycles. This doesn't look like anything special, but it is old. It has that old paper made in Japan. I got this really cute, this almost looks homemade, mama koala and baby koala. So I love Christmas and I love vintage Christmas ornaments, so if these don't sell, I will keep these. But these are great. Look at the pear and the apple. So much fun. And I got this gnome. Gnomes are a good seller usually. I didn't look this up yet. I'm not sure who this is. Okay. Well, We will find out. So all of this I think was $2 or something like that for all of it. So what doesn't sell, I will keep. I really like this 70s pear. These are just kitschy and fun and a complete blast, especially the mice. Oh, you know what? There was one other thing. Wait, hold on. This is like the best one. This is like gorilla. Isn't that great? What a great ornament is he? He's like a little baby gorilla. Anyway, so fun. Cute stuff. So I got these Black & Decker zizzers. I don't know what zizzers are. I've never had these. I've never sold them. I've never heard of them. I know Black & Decker is a quality name. They were $1.50 and they're new and sealed. So it looks like I will be able to sell those for about $20 or $25. So that's a nice easy flip, easy to photograph, easy to ship, new and sealed. That's the way we like them. Nice and easy. So Christmas stuff is always collectible, and I saw these, which were from MoMA. MoMA is the Museum of Modern Art. It's in New York City. So these were pretty cool, and these were $1 each. So we have that, and look at this one. Flames. These are so much fun. These are like Santa on a motorcycle. And then I have this box too of Santa skiing. So let me put a couple of these together because they really have to be seen to be believed. They are that cool. How amazing are these things? Now, how much would you like to get this Christmas card? Look at these. They all stand up. So I got all those boxes. They're all brand new. They were $1 a box, and I'm going to try to get $20 a box for them if I can. I mean, they're just fantastic. So super rare. Super cool holiday cards to mail to somebody, and I got these for $1 a box. Blank media is a great thing to look out for. I got these $2 a box, and I should be able to get $30 for both of these without a problem. All new, sealed up tight, super clean. So to my surprise, I was able to find a bunch of DVDs for 25 cents each. So Soap was a very cutting edge TV show in the 70s. These are both new and sealed. They're both the same. Those don't really sell for very much. Maybe I'll only get like $8 each for these or something like that. But they're new and sealed, and they were 25 cents each. I had a lot of art films, and for 25 cents each, I couldn't say no to these. I'm always interested in Criterion Collection. So Ingmar Bergman was a Swedish director and film writer and producer, and he was very influential and artistic filmmaker. Disappointingly, I don't think any of these are really worth that much money. So I'll probably just lot these together and maybe sell them for $30 or something like that, which is fine. I'm glad to buy these and to pass them along to somebody who's really going to enjoy them. I mean, this one's a box set. Very interesting stuff here. Same here, 2 weird Fellini films, and that's a little redundant to say weird Fellini films, but anyway, 2 DVDs in beautiful condition, and they have some special features. So I might be able to get, you know, maybe $10 for both of those, or $15. So I got this great travel mug, and it has dragonflies on it, and it's brand new. It's a Turvis. So it was $1.50, and I should be able to sell this for $15 or $20, I'm hoping. And if not, I'll keep it because I love it, and I can always use another travel coffee mug. So that's the beauty of buying stuff like this. I love that. If it doesn't sell, I will keep it. So I thought maybe you'd like to meet my chihuahuas. This is Rosie. Hi, Rosie. And this is Abigail. Hi, Abigail, good girl. Here comes Pickles. Come on, Pickles. You want to say hello? Hello, YouTube. Hi, Sleepy Face. Hi, Pickles. So these 2 are litter mates. The 2 black girls are litter mates. And then she's related too. They are rescues, all of them. And these are great. These are just these discs that I got on Amazon, and I put them in the microwave for 5.5 minutes, and it keeps them warm all day, and they curl up on them and they fight over them, even though 3 chihuahuas, 3 heating discs. Anyway, that's Pickles, Abigail, and Rosie. Good girls. So I love selling fabric. I just think it's beautiful. I love touching it. I love looking at it. I love objects of beauty, and this fabric is gorgeous. So I got this today, And I'll also mention, I love my fabric people. I love my customers who buy fabric. They're just the most lovely people in the world. So this is by Kaufman. So I've sold Kaufman before. I've sold all these name brands before, believe me. But this is interesting, right? That nice Christmas fabric, it's so different. I love buying Debbie Mum stuff. She's such a cool designer. This is a great big piece of fabric that's probably 4 yards or something. So I got these green pumpkins. This is, wow, this is a really big piece of fabric. Let's see who made this. So you look here, this is called the self edge. Let's see. Clothworks, another very nice quality fabric. You can tell by just by feeling it how nice it is. And this is called, like, it's quilting fabric. So that's a term. You don't have to only make quilts out of it, but it's a term they use because it's just very high quality. I'm not going to unfold the whole thing, but this is a great Christmas print. So let's see if we can find out who it is. Where are you? There you are. Yep. So that's Diane Knott for Clothworks. So beautiful. Perfect time of year because it's November, so this is perfect to sell this one right now. Here's a great bat thing. Now this one I think might be Alexander Henry. It just looks like it is. Nope, it's Northcott. Okay, so Northcott is another one I've sold a lot of. Super cool. Don't you love that? So this one's awesome. Look at this. These are like groovy monsters. Wow, so colorful, right? Terrific. Let's take a look at that self edge and see who it is. All right, so this is Sherry Stroll for Moda. I love selling Moda. Moda's a great seller. It's such a high-end name. I love that. That is super fun. And this is probably the best one. You can see this is a reproduction of an antique fabric, and this is just outstanding. This one is Alexander Henry. This is great. This is probably a 5, maybe a piece of 5 yards. So I'm never exactly sure like how to maximize my profit on these. I will usually just sell them as the whole piece, but you know, if I broke this up into individual yards, I'd probably make a lot more money. So I'm going to take a look into doing that. Beautiful. And now likely they don't make this anymore, and that really drives the price up sometimes on some of these fabrics. So very exciting find, and I just got these today. So here's a great item to look out for. Always peanuts. Just take a look at it. People collect peanuts like crazy. And this is a Christmas ornament, and it's by Kurt Adler. So I love buying Kurt Adler stuff. That can be good sometimes. So this was $1, and I might be able to sell this for $20, something like that. I got this adorable gnome plate. It wasn't a lot of money. Peppermint and pine. And this might have been a mistake because I might only be able to sell this for $10. If I can only sell this for $10, I will donate it because I'm not going to ship this for that low price. But if I could get $15 for it, I might think about it. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it. It's sort of adorable. Once in a while, I'm lucky enough to find vintage lingerie. Now, they had a lot of Mark items. I think Mark is a higher end arm of Avon. And I looked at this and I said, you know what, you can't fool me. This is a Vanity Fair, isn't it? And it is. So I'm probably going to be able to get $30 or $40 for this. It depends. I didn't even take it out of the bag. But anyway, I paid $4 for this, and we'll see what happens. It's very, very beautiful. I love selling Vanity Fair stuff. It's collectible, and there's a reason for it. It's just gorgeous. So here's 2 interesting plates. Now, this thrift store would not have been able to look these up because they're not marked, but I know what these are. You probably do too. Some people do. I'm hoping to get $30 for these 2. Something like that. They're in beautiful condition. Nice, rare plates, and I knew what it was because I've bought these mugs before. Now, an interesting bit of trivia. I believe this red glaze is more expensive than other glazes, and I remember from the 70s, my mom actually used to own a ceramic studio, and I don't think red is super safe to eat out of. So everybody has to be careful when you're eating out of vintage dishes. If you put something cold on here, I think you'll be fine, but I don't know about putting hot stuff on here. I'm not sure. Something else to keep an eye open for is anything that says Gemmy on it. There it is. Doesn't mean it's going to be worth something, but This was $1, and you put batteries in it, and now that snow in there blows around. That all blows around, see? And something that people really love, or maybe I'm just projecting because I really love it, but those old-fashioned Santas, see how he looks sort of like a Victorian Santa? So anyhow, I just got to test to see if that works, but I'm going to try putting that one up for 20 or 25. I've never heard of this company before, but I thought maybe it would be something that somebody would like to have. Maybe it would sell. It is new in the box, which is always a good thing. So I'm going to try to get 25 for this. We'll see what happens. Christmas CDs used to sell really well. It may be a little bit less so now, but I got this interesting one, the Salsoul Orchestra. It's going to be disco Christmas music, and that's very different and interesting, and I think I'll be able to get $10 or $15 for this sort of CD. That is, if I can sell it, because I kind of want to keep it. Maybe I'll just rip it first and then let it go. Cool item. So I got this for $1.50. This is quite an interesting item. This is already 60 years old. They're Civil War reproduction. You know, people collect Civil War stuff like crazy. 3 from the north, 3 from the south, and all 6 newspapers are here. Pretty cool. They're just replicas, of course, but I love how they made them all brown and stuff like that. I think it's pretty cool, and I think somebody's really going to love getting these and just reading them cover to cover exactly as they were in the 1860s. So I have no idea what these are going to sell for. I'm going to put them up on eBay and find out. I'm so excited. I bought this Boudoir doll today for $5 at a thrift store. She's just so pretty. So Boudoir dolls, this is probably close to 100 years old. They were mostly made in the 1920s. I think they went as far as the 1940s. But this was made to sit on your bed or on your sofa, and it wasn't something that children played with. It was for decoration. You can see she has nice long legs. Isn't she so pretty? These were often made in France. Sometimes not. I don't think she's marked or anything like that. She has really nice hair. Now she must have had this fabric. Oops, this fabric is just disintegrating, but her skirt is really in great shape. So see, she's all dressed up. Look at her legs. Very long legs. She's all cloth. She is beautiful. Oh, I love her so much. I love her beauty mark. She has 2 purple beauty marks. She was certainly a party girl in her day. So that's my beautiful antique, or almost antique, Boudoir doll.